Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Divine Inspirations 888. I hope you're all doing well. For today, I will be reading a small passage from my book, The Fundamentals of Manifestations. I will be reading from the Connecting to Nature passage. How fitting, as I am currently in nature. Connecting to nature can be very powerful and grounding practice when you are manifesting. Getting connected to nature and finding a peaceful spot in nature, like I am doing right now, such as a park, a bench, or the forest, where you can sit or walk comfortably. You can take in the natural surrounding and engage your senses. You can either close your eyes and visualize your desires while being in this natural setting. You will allow the energy of nature to support and amplify your visualizations. Taking regular walks in nature and use the time to express gratitude for your desired manifestations. As you walk and observe the beauty around you and appreciate the abundance of nature. Express gratitude for the present moment and the opportunities for the growth and manifestation. Practicing grounding and connecting, the wind is blowing, and connecting to the earth by practicing grounding techniques in nature. Taking off your shoes and feel the grass in between your toes. I will show you my feet right now as my shoes are off. This is very good when you are manifesting because you visualize your roots extending from your feet deep into the earth, grounding and stabilizing your energy. This practice helps you feel connected, supported, and aligned with the natural flow of manifestation. It is very important to be connected to nature. It is very important to engage in rituals or activities that foster, the wind is blowing, that foster a deeper connection with nature. This could include grounding. This could include gardening, hiking, journaling in the natural surroundings, or simply spending time observing and appreciating the beauty of the natural world. These rituals can cultivate a sense of harmony, gratitude, and connection with the larger universe, positivity, and your manifestations you will definitely see a difference in your manifestations once you ground in nature. Remember, nature can provide a supportive and nurturing environment for your manifestations, but the power ultimately lies within you. By emitting yourself in nature and aligning your energy with this beauty and abundance, you create a relationship that supports your manifestations. And so remember to stay open when you are manifesting and grounding yourself in nature. It's very important on your manifestation journey.